A while back, I made a game in Unity in under a week, and although I was really happy with the outcome, the game could definitely get a lot better. I've decided to start a series in which I'll make one part of my game look really professional. Today, we'll be starting off with the menu. This is what the menu in my game looks like right now. I started by getting a background off of Google. To get an image without a license on it, you can go into Google Images and click on the Creative Commons filter. I found this image and decided to use it as my background. Next, I got some buttons in my menu. The three important ones I got were the play button, the options button, and the quit button. The play and quit button are self-explanatory, and the options button leads to an options menu. Along with making the buttons, I also had to give them some functionality, and so I created a script that gave the buttons their functions. I decided that along with making the main menu, I'd also make the options menu. I started off by making the options menu with the same background but zoomed in a bit to give a cool effect when you clicked on it. For now, I'll just leave a volume slider in the options menu and nothing else for the moment. I decided that now was a good time to come up with a name for my game. Obviously, I'm really bad at doing that, and so I actually used a sci-fi name generator and came up with the name Astral Horizon Flame of Vengeance. I also played a bit with some fonts. You can download different Google fonts, but by default you have Arial. To be honest, Arial kinda sucks, so I downloaded a couple. I landed on using the font Anton and a font called Banger. Also, this is that part in a video where I'll beg you guys to subscribe to my channel. It supports me a lot, and the worst scenario is that you just unsubscribe later. Now, I knew there were tons of free to use custom fonts, but the reason I used Google Fonts was because for some reason using custom fonts wouldn't work. In fact, I had spent a day trying to get over this to no avail. Later I realized that this was because I had used the TextMesh Pro asset. To fix this, I found this beautiful video showing me how to change the format of imported text. After using custom fonts, the game started to look so much better. Now there was one last thing to do. Currently my options menu only had a volume slider. I decided that I would also add screen resolution toggles and a full screen toggle. I tried making this work with my puny knowledge of coding, but this literally just led me to a record of 87 errors from a single script. So instead I found this awesome tutorial and sort of copied that juicy code. But in the end it actually worked out and I had a completely functional main and options menu. that's it for this video. If you want a specific tutorial on anything, just comment down below. Also, next episode, which will come out soon, will probably be on the basics of player movement and how the player interacts with the map. I hope you enjoyed, and that's it for this video.